Five brand new salvage boxes. Let's open them up and see what's inside. I don't have a knife with me. Why don't I have a knife? I don't know. But ooh, the new rifleman design. Yes. So ugly pretty. Gothically pretty. Pretty gothic. We'll have to do some more of this later. And available in Alpha Strike. Ooh, I love the typeface they use. Look at that. The chosen typeface. Yes. Okay. For a second, baby. I should have really grabbed a knife. I don't know why I have a knife nearby. I have scissors nearby. It's enough of a rifleman. Oh, it's the new Scorpion. Alright. So, okay, we've got the same it's the same Scorpion 1N as before, but so much spikier. Look at that spikiness. I love the spikiness. We love a spiky Scorpion. Froze up for a second. Hey, hope that doesn't mess anything up. Oh. Third mech up for bid. I only got 5. I'm probably going to have to find 3 more if anybody local got them. What are you? Oh, you're the fire starter from this set. Okay, I get it. Let's see if that works. Might have to do some closer in images later on. Number 4. Now, I've seen some pictures already online about how these guys relate to regular versions. The Rifleman is way bigger. I think the Scorpion is just a little bit bigger. How about the Firestarter? Oh! Okay. I have pulled a second Scorpion. Okay. They are more common in the Gothic universe. And our last one for today. Hoping for... Yes! It's the big boy himself. A 7D Atlas. Look at this guy. Look at that back. It's kind of... He's got basically a statue on his back. Now these, yeah, they are, the ones that come in salvage boxes, they don't come apart. They are glued together. The ones that come in the main box set have 5 different heads that you can put on them and 5 different backpacks. So it's just a matter of who do you belong to? Because I could make this whole force based on whoever that is. Is that a Capellan? That almost looks Capellan. Cat's Pellan. If you know, you know. Okay. Yeah. You say an Atlas, a Scorpion, whatever. So what we're looking at here is 3 of the mechs next to the contemporary regular universe, regular reality mechs. We have the starting out. We have a scorpion here, which is about the same size, not too far off. It's pretty good. Uh, Interesting take on the pilot card. The scorpion is one of the Kells, which is very different in universe, and we're going to come back to that later on something else that's different. Next, we're going to look at the Atlas beside each other, and the Gothic Atlas is bigger, but not so much that you'd really complain. I mean, if you saw it in the game, you'd probably not really notice it. Big difference is the Rifleman, which is huge. Uh, and also of note here, I've put down the fire starter. I can't find my regular fire starter for comparison. Don't ask. I thought I knew where it was, but no. Uh, it's got this interesting pirate card, and well, if you know, you know.